Now, surprisingly, although this gun is flawless with Remington American Clay and Field 7/8 ounce loads, and also Fiocchi 3-inch unfolded length 1.25 ounce loads, Winchester AA 1 ounce, number 7.5, I'm getting stuff-ups. Take a look. You got the box over there? Let me show everybody the box of exactly what I'm shooting. These are factory fresh Winchester AA's, 1165 foot per second, 1 ounce. So you would think there'd be no problem whatsoever with these things. If that's not a repeatable malfunction, what is? That one didn't even make it out of the action. All right, here we go with the B&P 15/16 ounce loads. No problem there. Let me try a few more. And I'll finish off and try to break a few clays, and then we'll be done. Well, nothing to it. Of course, no recoil. So there you have it. That's all I can tell you for today. Is the gun flawless? No. Flawless with Remington 7/8 ounce. Certainly reliable with B&P 15/16 ounce. It's a fail boat for whatever reason, I have no idea, with AA 1 ounce loads, but flawless with Fiocchi Golden Pheasant 1.25 ounce loads. So sometimes it's the ammo. And lacking other information, I have other brands, combinations of loads to try. In this case, I'm inclined to say it's the ammo. So check it out. The 1187's been around for a long time, presumably since 1987. And it's one of the softest shooting 20 gauges you can buy. No question about that. And the price, as far as I'm concerned, is extremely attractive. $610, $615. Plus, once in a while, you've got Remington rebates on top of that. So, a lot of gun for the money. And before you go hunting, test the ammo you're going to use. I guess that's always good advice.